right, hello everybody. For those of you who don't know me, but you already do, my name is Miss Jessica. Welcome to Musical Theater for Kids Mix and Match at Home session. So every time we make a movie or a story or a show, every single character has a backstory. Okay, so remember, describe your character and think about where it came from, and depending on where it came from and where you got it and how long you've had it, talk about the character, their likes, their dislikes. Go ahead.
And it's very wise, happy all the time, and flexible.
Okay.
That's an actual cat.
Yeah, this is a cat. Her name is Bijou. She's very grumpy. She comes from Thailand. She loves to eat.